good morning. So today is day 6 in Iceland, and today we are going to cover Barnafoss waterfall, and we are also going to cover Thingvellir National Park. So we just had our breakfast, and this is the same hotel in Borganes where we had stayed last time. So yesterday night we came back here again, and today we're leaving. So right now we're just loading our luggage. Also today the drive is going to be really good. As per Samir, it's going to be a picture perfect view, and so there's a lot of scope of photography today. So we're just hoping that we get clear skies and no rains. So yeah, we're just keeping our fingers crossed for today and hoping to get some really good pictures. Hey guys, so we just reached Barnafoss, and now there's a small walk to the waterfall. Guys, this is Hofnafoss, and if you can see, the water is not coming anywhere from above. So that is the speciality of this waterfall. It is actually coming between the mountains.
Guys,
We
yeah guys,
Hey guys.
yo yo,
Hey
yo
guys.
yo guys.
Okay guys, so we have reached the hot springs. Look at this boiling water. This is 100 degrees Celsius water. Oh, sweet. Strong sulfur smell coming, guys. The thing in Iceland is hot water. It always has this peculiar, strong smell of sulfur, and this water is actually 100 degrees. It's boiling.
out, there's so much volcanic activity. There's so much heat inside the near the surface
Okay.
that the water gets heated.
Oh.
And if this water, so right now the water has an outlet, so it's coming out. If the rock is very hard, and if it doesn't have an outlet, and if it keeps getting hot, then it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, same funda like a pressure cooker. It will find an outlet. So it will find these little cracks through which it will just come out. That's the geyser that we'll see tomorrow.
Okay.
And so once the geyser goes out, then the pressure drops again. So again it subsides till it starts heating up again. Again the pressure develops. It will throw out. It's exactly like a pressure cooker. So it is periodic.
Hi, so we have just stopped for some tea and snacks, and Zanna is busy with her phone. Zanna, hi. Just look at the view. Wow. Guys, we are on our way to the Thingavalar National Park, and right now we have just stopped at this beautiful place. Hey guys, so we have reached the Thingavalar National Park. So yeah, let's go. So as you can see, they are charging 100 kronas, which is equal to 50 INR, which is very expensive.
Madam, so it's 200 kronas.
Oh my God! Sorry, wrong information again. It is 200.
ध्यान से देखिए यही है जो गलत
Sorry.
information दे रही है.
So this is 200 kronas that they are charging, which is equal to 100 Indian rupees for one time of
Susu and Chichi.
she, whatever. So to go to the washroom, you need to pay 100 Indian rupees, which is 200 kronas, which is very expensive. So we have decided not to go there. Okay, guys, please explain me what is this? Okay.
Okay, so there are tectonic plates beneath the surface of the earth that
Okay.
continuously move.
Okay.
Millions of years ago,
Okay.
what happened was because of the movement of the tectonic plates, the continents drifted apart.
Okay.
Now we are currently standing on the North American plane.
Okay.
However, on the plate, on the other side, when you will see, you
Okay.
will see the European.
So this
It's
right
just
here
this-
and this both are the
North American.
North American plates, and we are walking between it, right?
Yes, this is just a small
Small drift.
example
Small
on
drift.
how the drifting happens.
Okay.
Okay, and on the other side, when we'll go across this drift,
Okay.
we'll be able to see the other plate, that is the
European plate. Okay. Okay. Clear. Okay. And anybody?
Geologically speaking, we are in North American soil,
Okay.
but this is politically Iceland.
Oh.
which is a